is this? Come on, bro. What do you mean, bro? What do you mean, bro? This is South Africa. South Africa. It's just that there's only white guys only. Abeka bodaki la bafethu, but the same South. Same South. No, I'm not in Waterfall Corner. I'm not in Waterfall Corner. Vakhulu eMzansi namaphethelo dokotela sithoba kuwe bhuti. This is obviously South Africa, guys. Icon. I think you wanted to say icon. Ndando. Timunati knows not Waterfall Corner. Talk to me, guys. What's happening? How's 2024 treating you? How are the charts? How's the work? How's everyone doing? How are the holidays? What are the plans for 2024? What's happening, guys? Are we trading this year or it's a long story? What are your guys' plans this year? This year, if you're not making money, I don't know. But we're definitely coming to Soweto this year. Something big is coming to Soweto. Make sure you're a part of it. I'm gonna post a link to my free signals group after this, because I see a lot of people have been inquiring about it on my DMs. I'm gonna sell it. I'm gonna post it on my story after this, so that people can start signing up. It's for free, guys. Free signals group. But you can't expect me to send signals every day like you paid me, right? This year I'm buying a 7.5R. That's nice, bro. That's nice. It's a long story, bro. You can't be declaring such things in your life. Not in the new year. The charts are promising, my bro. Love to hear it. The best leverage for me personally is 1:500. I use the 1:500 leverage because if I go crazy sometime and I wanna kill that whole margin out, 1:500 is the best. But if you're a safe trader, 1:300, 1:200, 1:100 even, depends on the kind of a trader that you are. But if you're like a trader that has a huge risk appetite, you can go with the 1:500 like I usually do. It depends on the kind of a trader that you are. Obviously traders are not the same. There's high risk traders, there's traders that have minimal risks. Traders are really not the same, right? One and only skier. Much respect for you, Danko. I see my one and only aunties in the live. Hello, my aunties. Miss Mbati. Ndaba ezithi omkhulu siyathoba kuwe thina. Siyathoba kuwe ndaba ezithi omkhulu. Yeah, so when it comes to leverage, guys, it really depends on the kind of a trader that you are. Obviously, you can't expect to be a replica of Stylish, or a replica of Martin, a replica of so and so that's in the country. You must obviously try and learn and grab the skill from any mentor that you can attend to, and then you build from there going forward. You can't obviously trade like me. You can't obviously trade like Tumel, or you can't obviously trade like or any other guy that inspires you that's out there. You must just learn the strategy and try and build the best version of yourself from that inspiration. There can't be two Stylishkeys in South Africa. There can only be one. There can't be two Amugelangs. There can only be one. Our thanks, man. I'm a scalp trader. Thanks, bro. Much appreciated. So obviously with scalping, it also depends what kind of risk appetite you have. So there's people that have very minimal risk. That's why we have your micro accounts. You know, we have your 1:100 leverage accounts. You know, accounts that don't allow you to risk all your money. Because remember, in whatever risk that you take on your account, you must consider that if you lose that money, are you gonna be out, or can you still refund? These are one of the things that you must always look out for. Lifa charger. Life is good, bro. Same thing, bro. No, I'm not. Why brokers terminate our accounts? So it actually depends. So obviously with trading with brokers, not only local brokers but any kind of brokers, there's pros and cons. There's things to do and things not to do, and if you on the wrong side of the law, obviously your account is gonna get terminated or blocked. But I know a lot of people love bringing excuses. Hey, what he blocked me. Sometimes actually how people conduct themselves on these things, you know. So you can't obviously hold trades for less than 5 minutes and you make 500,000 and you expect to get paid. That's called scalping, and on the terms and conditions of the company, these are things that are written there and that you can easily find for free. So you can't be on the wrong side of the law and want to get your withdrawal. There's bonus arbitrage, people that buy and sell at the same time. There's just a lot of things that make brokers terminate your accounts. Shuli Graham, Stylishkeys done. And now, brother, how far? Mesh talk. Thank you, my bro. Loan account. Why were you selling? Tapula taps. Sure, my bro. What's going on? We must risk so that we make it, keys. Okay, well, no risk, no Lambo. No risk, no Lambo. That's what a lot of people say. But also, guys, you mustn't put all your eggs in one basket. You understand? You can't put all your eggs in one basket. So you can't risk above what you can afford. That's the reality of life. I know that when we motivate everyone, we be like, no risk, no reward. You must go all in and all of that. But now you must risk according to your affordability. You can't risk more than you can afford. You can't just trade the last 1,000 rands and then you want to trade 10 positions on your last 1,000 and you don't have a plan B of refunding your account. Come on, you must be realistic. Risk according to your affordability, because a lot of people trade and come on, guys, you can't risk more than you can afford. You missed that 7.5 average. I mean, good man. Man, it's life, you know. Certain losses you just accept and you move on. Chaviteri pay away, my bro. Stylishkeys, keep on, good man. No, I'm all good, man. Yeah, so like I was saying, you can't put all your eggs in one basket. Imagine risking your last 1,000 and putting 10 positions and then you blow that last 1,000. How are you gonna refund your account? That time you're unemployed or you are receiving monthly allowance from your parents and it's only the beginning of the month. You just blown your last money. Come on, you must be realistic. So you must risk according to your affordability. I can go with 10 positions on 1,000 rand account because I have a plan to refund my account. You know, I have a plan to refund my account. So if it's your last 1,000, you can't go with 10 positions. It's very unrealistic and very immature. You can't do certain things. You know, so you must risk according to your affordabilities, guys. You can't be come on, how can you trade 10 positions on 1,000 rand account and then the next thing you are seeing 4,000 in less than 5 minutes, you are closing your trades and then you don't get your withdrawal because you are scalping and you think the world has turned against you. You know, you must just trade the proper way. Apply your risk management, have a proper setup, no trade. You know, if you have the patience to wait for your entry, you can't rush success. There's no overnight success. There's no shortcuts to it. Like, you have to go through it the proper way. Step 1, step 2, step 3. You can't move from step 1 to 10 back to step 3. Come on, you must move from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, just like that. So inspiration is good and stuff, but you must be realistic also to your bank. You must be realistic to your bank account. You can't expect a miracle from a bank account when you know that it's going down. Let me see where my people at. my people at. Yo, Mankosi, yo Lisa. I see you, my boy. Ow, ndabezitha. Ow, putomdala. So consider the fact that you don't need a broker that's gonna be opening unlimited. That's gonna give you an unlimited leverage when you can't afford to fund. When it comes to leverage, when it comes to spread, when it comes to positions. Because on 1,000 rand, I think you can go for like 5 positions, and that's good enough. 5 positions is good enough because you can't be going with 10 positions on 1,000 rands. That means if you go minus 100 rand, 1,000 rand is gone. So if it's 5 positions, at least it's minus 200, and that's like how many points? It's like, let me see, 10 points, 20. It's like 10 points, 11, 12 points, somewhere there, and that's good enough. Sniper, and then you just go with it. We're at the office. I'm gonna pull up Donor D Hendricks. Thank you, my bro. Yeah, so you must also choose your brokers wisely, choose your leverages wisely, and then apply proper risk management. It's 2024, guys. You can't keep on doing the same mistakes you were doing back in 2019, back in 2020. Some of us started trading in 2016. I can't be doing the same mistakes, you know. But one thing I'm gonna promise you, this year is gonna be a great one. This year is gonna be full of money, gonna be full of joy, gonna be full of peace, gonna be full of happiness. If you believe in it, then you're gonna experience it. But if you're still doubting yourself, then ask Keys if you are still doubting it. But this year smells like man, smells like moolah. Where's Martin? Martin's at the office. I can't comment on brokers that I don't use. You understand? So I told you about the broker that I use. I'm not discrediting anyone. I'm not promoting anyone. And I think 1 point something, she made over 10,000. You know, people are pushing. Just a lot of them. Some of them are trading micro accounts. They made like 7,700, 7,000, 5,000, whatever money they made. But the Free Signals group today, I pushed a very hot signal, and I'm gonna be focusing a lot on it this year. And we're gonna be doing a lot of live tradings, free live tradings. We're gonna be doing a lot of free tours. But mentorship still 10,000. No free mentorship, free signals, free live tradings, free tours, and yeah. But the mentorship is 10,000 straight up. Change terms, we'll DM them what you no longer using the one on the group. Send me a thingy, send me a WhatsApp, bro. You have my numbers. That's wrong, Mr. Kume. Yeah, so this year, if you are not straight, if you are not serious with life, this is a sheer move. If you are not serious, if you are not serious this year, I am not moving with lazy people. Serious people owned. Serious people owned. It's a year of money, it's a year of millions. It's a year of massive growth. I don't want people that are not serious this year. I'm moving with serious people. Live trading, if you come once and you skip the second day when you have a live trading for a week, might as well not come at all. I can't be wasting my time coming to make a live trading for a week, and then people come there for 1 day, and then they skip the second day, the third day you are there, the fourth day you are off, the fifth day you are there. You might as well not come at all. I don't want chance takers this year. I don't want time wasters. I'm gonna be wasting a lot of my time doing stuff for free. So I need people that are serious, that are gonna be committed to growing. Because imagine I'm wasting my time. Yo, Vali, my boy, Marcelino, what's up, my boy? What's up? I'm here in Midrand, bro. I'm gonna hit you up after this. Yeah, so I'm saying to you guys, imagine I waste my time giving you content that's supposed to be charged and that's supposed to be paid for. People are coming there whenever they want to, and when they feel like they don't wanna come, they don't come. Not this year. This year, I want serious people home. If I send a signal on the free group and you are not trading, I will remove you from the group. And people must be trading with trade 245, because I can't be sending a signal with trade to on trade to 5 platform you're not trading with. I see what. Then the next thing you're coming to me and saying, yo bro, that signal hit stop loss and everyone else is still in profit. You are the only one that hit stop loss. I don't want those kind of complications. I want to be dealing with realistic problems, not those kind of complications. If I say to you, trade with this broker, you're trading with that broker. So that all of us are in sync, all of us know. If we closed 1,000, everyone closed 1,000. If we closed 4,000, everyone closed 4,000. Sure,
Keep coming.
yeah. Not that we closed 4,000 and you closed 1.6 because you're using a broker that you don't know. We use a 0.01, you use a 0.10 or a 1.0 on a signal. Come on, guys. This year we need to be serious about things. Well, I'm not forcing anyone. It's a moving train. You choose whether you want to be part of the train or you're remaining behind. But the train is moving. Train is moving. Train is moving. Train is moving. I'm taking my time out of my family's time. Imagine I'm supposed to be bonding with my son, supposed to be bonding with my wife, and then I'll be making time to serve free content, and then people won't be doing the right stuff. Hey, Mesuli, what's up, my boy? Kiss, load shedding. Where load shedding where, bro? I don't understand. There's no load shedding where I am. There's no load shedding where I am. But yeah, man. People decide. This is the year of a change. This is the year of turning your life around. This is the year of being more serious. You can't be doing the same mistakes you were doing last year. You can't be doing the same habits you were doing last year. Because if last year what you were doing didn't work out for you, and by the time the year was ending, you were still something you were not doing right. Not that you were doing something wrong, but it was something you are not doing the right way. Then it means now you must do what? You must reconsider your decisions. You must reconsider your ways of doing things. You must sit down, go back to the drawing board, and relearn and unlearn certain things. There's nothing wrong. How do you join the free signals? I'm gonna post a link on my story after this. There's nothing wrong with unlearning certain things. There's nothing wrong with relearning certain things. People would at times miss out because of load shedding. No, guys, load shedding is an unnecessary excuse when I think about it, because I mean, you can view my statuses but you don't take trades. You understand? So load shedding for me is an unnecessary excuse. Not okay. Out of I have about 700 people in the group. You send a signal, you ask for results. Only 4 people send results. So that means the whole 600 and something people, 690 something, or I have 770 something. The whole 770 people who are undergoing load shedding. It's impossible. Sure, it's impossible. So that's what I'm saying to you. I'm moving with serious people only. If you are not serious, I'm leaving you behind. Because you can't be doing the same mistakes you were doing last year. It's a new year. I have very big resolutions for the year. So I don't want people that are want to be dragging me back and dragging me down. You get what I'm saying? Which broker do you use? Are you